Humingi ng alalan.
Ibigay sa kanya.
Lance Armstrong, arm steady, Unabomb threats as heavy as heaven. You better have your alarm set. Car crash bars is motherfucking retard ed. Hard lead, carbon steel, nigga, we on deck. Palm check, you niggas is fake like Palm Pets. Palm Beach, I squeeze the heat, leave you all wet. Set it off, chest check, kill them all. Yes, yes, y'all move like fog, they never saw shit. I snatch the phones from hand, won't let them call shit. Face covered, they face smothered into the carpets. I spit this shit so sick, better than nauseous. Ballsy to say I'm quite better than Nas is. Bitch, my rap schemes is flawless. The same hat, same strap, breaking the laws with the same Mac. I laid back, homie, and offed him. And I'm fresh to death, yo bitch was in my coffin.
Yeah. You rappers funny like Doug with the beats. Mugs on the gram, but it's hugs in the streets. Wifey down for threesome, so I never got a cheat.
Okay guys, mandito tayo ngayon sa birthday ni
Nicole Pat Reyes.
Yes, in-invite kami tapos galing lang kami nahuli sa sa daan dito sa Makati. Shoutout pala sa Makati, legit talaga kayo manghuli.
Grabe, nakaka-stress sa
When bitches wanna kick it, I just send a pair of cleats, shit. Since niggas can't kneel as a resident, but presidents can go and put a kid in a cage. A history with WikiLeaks filling the page. Then governments will cover it by killing for wage, shit. I'm just playing, let me stop, but they pop me. For my sister got my name on the crop tee. Channel 5, but the story isn't top 3. False.
Hindi nakatabi. Gulat ako eh. Pinapatigil tayo eh.
Oh? Talaga?
Akala mo, puta kung may something ka na illegal na ginagawa, nakakatakot yung pinuhuli tayo ng nakasakay sa van, no?
Mahirap dun, karnaper pa, no?
Oh?
Ang mahirap dun eh, impound pa yung kotse. Gago talaga. Doon ako na-stress, impound ko na lang to.
Hey!
I-impound din tapos wala naman siya na-station.
Ito kasi yung nagkamali kami ng... Hindi, pakana na kasi kami. Ito, di ba, laging nasa gitna pa.
One way?
Hindi.
Crossing. Nasa crossing na kami. Eh, may
yung pagpa-ride ka, dapat nasa kanan.
Hindi, swerving? Walang ganun ha?
Hindi. Parang reckless. Gagawin mo.
Reckless?
Tapos alam mo yung nahuli sa mga nakasakay pa sa... Mobile. Tapos binapaano kami? Nakakaloka. Ay, hindi mo na
Oh, shit!
Stack cheese, we not fucking with the rat race. But what's rap when the leader's doing blackface? Huh?
Bang for your buck, more style and skill. Clean your clock with a cinder block, hired to kill. What's the deal? Street pharmacist, marijuana farmer with an iron that'll pierce through the Iron Man armor. Sound the alarm, keep the big dog muzzle, or this blade will turn your face to a jigsaw puzzle. Empty your guts in the streets like we're matching blunts. Fudge packers and drag, they never pack a punch. Female rappers are yapping, them slapping cunts. They got us all together, be happy this only happened once. Ladies and gentlemen, listen, I guess the trend is in. Transgender men and sex offenders blending in. I'm unimpressed with this freshman class. How do you rate them or you grade them with no test to pass, Colorful clowns on the gram acting too cool, but I'm an active shooter on the loose in the new school.
Steady, ho. Okay. From under the underground, move upwards and kick a cloud. Avoid the circus and circles, that's for the clowns. Let the merry-go-round, run it up, touch it down. Throw in Hail Marys, what do we have here now? Oh God, do you wanna ride or die? See, I'm at work, I turn this verse into a 9 to 5. Young and humble yourself, your head too big for the crown. California king, I see why they sleep on me now. Can't tame the beast when he's out, and I can't stay for a while. We hit the spot in and out, this be that animal style. My real ones know what I'm talking about. But fuck the beef, double the cheese, I'm here to milk me the cow. Hey, bitch, I let it ring, fuck the ring and the vows. Go ahead and marry the game, I be the side nigga dicking her down. Get my nut and I'm out, hey, it's your world, I'm just a squirrel in it. Hit the curb in it, they gon' for sure feel it, nickel.
Yeah, as I'm rhyming on this timer, I just mentally spit. And any problems, complications, we gon' handle them quick. I'm with it, I'm sick. Sick as the flu, I'm sick and sick. I'm coughing up this mucus, I'm gon' diss when I spit. Characteristics optimistic and I'm anxious for fame. A&R is gon' be on me once I get in the game. Radio stations, nightclubs, they always hit me up. I be telling what so I'ma tell them what's up. I'm enlightening the brain, mentally and deranged. With these corresponding lyrics, I'm gon' sweat when it rain. Emancipation, rotation till I choose my rep. And west side till I die, I'm gon' bang it to death. Now respect my grind, money stay on the mind. On the block or at school, I'm hustling all the time. My money stacked to the sky, so I'm gon' walk when the beef is on. Money higher than the beanstalk Jack was climbing on.
Bitch, my rap schemes is flawless. The same hat, same strap, breaking the laws with the same Mac. I laid back, homie, and offed him. And I'm fresh to death, yo bitch was in my coffin.
Yeah. You rappers funny like Doug with the beats. Mugs on the gram, but it's hugs in the streets. Wifey.
Ito na, umagahan na ako. And, you know, it's morning na night. Kasama ka pala si David San. Yeah. And I think this is the end of my vlog kasi umaga na guys, kailangan na naming umuwi and di naman ako naglasing kasi alam mo na matanda na tayo, medyo konti-konti lang alak na nainom ko ngayon. But I hope na you have fun sa vlog ko. Kita-kita tayo next time, ha? And I hope subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much guys. See you in my next vlog.
Kahit na wala kami PM.
Wow! Halo-halo!
Hindi kita ba?
Oh, sarap!
Ano yan? Ah, halo-halo.
Alat champurado.
Parang madumi tong ano.
Blessings to, man.
Blessings. Thank you po sa blessings.
So, anong gagawin natin mamaya ka?
Nakakailang order na ako ng Pringles.
Anong gagawin natin mamaya?
Bibigay ng pagmamahal sa mga taong darating sa Club Aura.
Gusto mo ba ng halo-halo? May ube oh, sarap.
Sarap.
Grabe yung ube nila, hindi nila tinitipid, no? Legit.
Yun. Nakikita mo ba? Nakikita mo yung angle.
Bakit yung lighting sa braso ka?
Actually guys, wala na akong maisip na topic
Sobrang daming ube.
ngayon kasi nga iniisip na namin ni Kuya Ken mamaya kung anong gagawin namin sa performance natin dito sa Cabanatuan. Shoutout din pala sa may-ari ng Aura na in-invite kami dito, J. Isidro. Thank you J. Isidro kasi siya nagdala sa amin dito all the way from Cabanatuan City.
Oh shit!
Hindi tayo nag-video kanina nagpapamasad sa'yo, no? Ah, may-ari pala.
Ang ini-ini mo eh. Ikaw lang number 1 dun.
Ha?
Rinig na rinig kaya yung boses mo.
Oh?
Caps! Oh shit! Bagano ka pa. Caps, okay ka lang dyan?
Akala nyo kung asan kami pina-check-in dito sa Cabanatuan, no? Nasa